Hello friends, welcome to our channel Language Aquarium. Today in this video we will write and learn 10 examples of simple present tense. So let's get into the video. First sentence is I wake up early every morning. Second sentence is we play football on Sundays. Third sentence, you look happy today. Fourth sentence, he works in a bank. Fifth sentence, she sings beautifully. Sixth sentence, they visit their grandparents on weekends. Seventh sentence, Amit plays the guitar very well. Eighth sentence, the dog barks at strangers. Ninth sentence, my brother watches cartoons after dinner. And the last sentence, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked my video, please give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to watch more new videos. See you in the next video.